Small business ideas to start in Uganda. Hi, welcome to Infant Entrepreneur Videos. Today, we are looking at the small business ideas one can start in Uganda. I have researched the 10 most profitable small business ideas in Uganda. Let's get started. 1. Restaurants. Dinner, lunch, or any of the two, a restaurant is all about providing people with the food they want, but don't already have. People prefer restaurants because they can quickly and readily get food anytime. With a good set-up restaurant in a busy town, you will surely make a lot of money from it. 2. Automotive repair shop or garage. In almost all towns in Uganda, you will find people with cars and motorbikes. The presence of cars means there is a need for maintenance of those cars once they break down. This is where you come in as an entrepreneur and start up of an automotive repair shop. Cars break down everywhere and most towns here in Uganda lack quality automotive repair shops, so the car owners are forced to pay much to take their cars to bigger towns to be repaired. 3. IT and computer services. There is no business or individual here in Uganda who does not need technical support. No matter the size of the town, be it small or big, there will always be people using technology and having a problem or two with technology. Your role as a problem solver is to look at ways to meet the needs of these people, and the best way to meet their needs is by starting up an IT and computer services center. 4. Salon or barbershop. There are many salons that dominate in small towns, and there is a big reason why it is like this. At least everyone goes to the salon once every 2 weeks. As an entrepreneur looking for a small business idea in Uganda, consider starting a salon. Chances are, your town has at least one or more salons, but that should not discourage you but encourage you to be more creative in your salon. If salons are many, you may specialize in a specific niche salon that caters for a given group of people. For example, you may make a female salon that plaits hair or a men's salon that trims hair. 5. Gas station. Starting up a gas station is one of the best small business ideas to think about. Gas stations are so helpful to the communities where they are located, so starting one should not scare you as you ask yourself whether you will have a market available for you. Gas stations are absolutely essential in our communities where most people rely on cars and trucks for transportation. 6. Drugstore. A drugstore or pharmacy is a must-start small business idea. As a business owner, you will be required to do some work of hiring pharmacists, buying insurance, hiring the place for the pharmacy and much more in order to start up a drugstore. This business may be perfect for the already trained pharmacists or those already involved in the medical section of those small towns. The pharmacy business is full of competition, especially from big drugstore companies. 7. Fitness studio or gym. People are now learning the purpose of fitness for their health. Are you a fitness trainer or you are just interested in keeping your body fit? You can start up a fitness studio in your small town and call upon other like-minded people to join your gym. You will be charging the membership fee to any person that joins your gym for training. Odds are high that currently where you are there are people who also want to keep their bodies fit. 8. Floral Shop. Flowers have no special day or event. They can be used on graduations, birthdays, funerals, or even Valentine's Day. If you currently lack a floral shop in your town, then starting up a floral shop business may be the idea you are waiting for. Starting up a successful floral shop business may require you to learn some skills like how to source and arrange the flowers. 9. Nail Salon and Spa. Cosmetics and beauty have no other substitute here in Uganda. If you are good at pedicures and manicures, starting up a nail and spa business may be the key to your financial success. Nail salon and spa are one of the small business ideas for small towns in Uganda. Starting up a nail salon and spa requires little startup capital. This business is so successful and the majority of your customers will always be women. This business thrives most in busy places and also in some ceremonial seasons like graduations, weddings, and birthday parties. 10. Hardware store. Starting a hardware shop business can meet many different needs in your society, from construction material supplies to paint supplies and gardening tool supplies. Hardware business is good for those with a love for fixing things or building. Hardware store businesses are so essential for every small town. So if your town currently does not have hardware in your small town, you can look at starting up one in your area today. The choice is yours as an entrepreneur.